In this video, we are going to create a simple image tracking app. So create a new Unity project, make sure it's 3D, and give it a name. I'll name this AR image tracking. Right now the auto generate lightning is off. Let's turn it on. Click on it and check this box which says auto generate. Now let's install the AR packages, window, package manager. This will take some time to load the packages. We need the AR Foundation package, AR Core, and ARKit. So let's install these. Now let's install the AR Core package. And the ARKit. Now let's set up the AR scene. So right click, XR. We need AR session origin and AR session. Delete the main camera since we already have a AR camera in our scene. To enable image tracking, we need to add a script to the AR session origin object. So click on add component and we need the script AR tracked image manager. Reference library, which is the library having set of images that we want to track. The second one is maximum number of moving images to track in real time. We just want to track one image right now, so this will be 1. And tracked image prefab, which is the object that we want to overlay when the image is detected. First of all, let's create a reference image library. So right click, create XR reference image library. And we can add the images that we want to track here. So click on add image. It needs an image, so let's import one. Let's import this image. This will be available in the exercise file section of the course. And let's drag this image right here. Check this box which says specify size. And since we have already added the image here, it knows the aspect ratio and the size in pixels. So we just need to give one value here, width or height, and it will automatically calculate the other value. So let's make this 0.1 meters. So as this is a square image, this will be 0.1 by 0.1. Now that we have the reference image library, we can add it right here. And now we need a prefab that will be instantiated on the image when the image is recognized. So for this video, let's use a very simple 3D object. Let's use one of the inbuilt objects. So right click, 3D object, and I'll use a sphere. Make sure to reset it. And we want a prefab. So let's convert this into a prefab and delete this one. Now click on AR session origin object and drag the sphere right here. And let's change the size of the sphere because right now its diameter is 1 meter. So let's make this 0.1. Now if you run the app, this is what you're going to see. So that's all for this video.